Hi everyone. I wanted to do this real quick just to warn you about another. This is not a new scam, but it's another scam that you could encounter if you sell online. And it's basically people saying that they got the package arrived damaged and the thing is broken or whatever. And generally, what happens is Etsy will pay, if you're selling on Etsy, Etsy will pay for a purchase protection, one damaged package per year, and that's it, because they expect you to wrap things correctly, right? So that makes logical sense. But if you have insurance on the package through the post office or the shipper that you use, you're supposed to try to go through that first. They don't really require you to do that. You can file the claim with Etsy, but that is going to use up your one damaged package a year. The problem with buying insurance is that a lot of times the shippers will not pay for damage because they want a certain number of photos. They want pictures of the damaged box. They want pictures of the packaging material. They want pictures of the broken item. And apparently there is a scam that is going around where people are sending in fake pictures of the broken item by using Photoshop or AI. I'm sorry about the light changing in here. But they're faking pictures of broken items and using that as quote unquote evidence to show what was broken. And like I said, this is not new. I wrote an article about 15, I won't say 20 years, 15 years ago about how Photoshop could be used by brides to say that the cake was damaged. And this is when I did wedding cakes, and I wasn't even selling online at that point. So this is not a new scam of people faking photos. However, it's a lot easier now, and people are going to be trying to take advantage of the easy tools that they have to do it. And so what you need to do, and this was a good suggestion from someone in my Facebook group, what you need to do is ask for multiple pictures of the broken item from different angles, because if they're using tools to create fake photos, it's going to be really hard to make a photo that's consistent across different angles. So do either like 2 or 3 photos. That's fine. And you can put this in your shop policies that you need multiple photos and put a number. Say, I need 3 photos of the broken item from different angles. I need pictures of the packaging. I need pictures of the box, because the shipping companies require this to verify that there was damage and it was their fault. And that's true, because the post office will ask you for pictures. Etsy doesn't ask you for pictures, but you're supposed to go through the shipper first, and the post office does ask you for pictures, and FedEx will ask you for pictures, and UPS will ask you for pictures. So just make sure that you have all of this in your shop policies, because if this is a scam that is taking off, and we tend to go through cycles with scams, they come, they go, but this one seems to be something that people are talking about now. And like I said, it's a lot easier to fake photos than it used to be, but it's difficult to fake photos from different angles and show the same damage. So that was a really good suggestion from Kelly in my Facebook group. Again, I apologize for the light here. It's very strange. But that's just my tip for today, because this apparently is a scam that's come back around. Like I said, it's not new, but it is easier to do these days. So leave me any questions, give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you later.